everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm giving you a quick and easy breakdown of how I set up a Sophos Firewall inside a VMware Fusion lab on my MacBook Pro. If you've ever wanted to build your own virtual lab or test firewall rules safely, this guide is perfect for you. So, here's what I did. I started by downloading VMware Fusion and then grabbed the Sophos Firewall installer from the Sophos website. Once the download finished, I extracted the files and imported the OVF template straight into VMware Fusion. That created my firewall virtual machine. Next, I customized the VM. I set up two network interfaces, one for the LAN and one for the WAN. The LAN uses a private network I created inside VMware, and the WAN connects through my home internet. I also gave the firewall 2 CPUs, 4 GB of RAM, and the standard virtual disks it needs to run smoothly. After powering it on, I jumped into the console to do the first-time setup. I assigned the LAN interface the IP address 192.168.10.10, and from there I opened my browser and accessed the Sophos web admin page on port 4444. The setup wizard walked me through creating the admin password, setting a master key, choosing a time zone, and registering the firewall. Super straightforward. Once everything was up and running, I created two firewall rules. The first one simply allows devices on the LAN to browse the internet, with IPS and web scanning turned on. The second rule is a fun one, a policy that blocks social media, gambling sites, and adult content. This shows how content filtering works on Sophos. To make sure everything was actually working, I tested it using a Kali Linux client connected to the LAN. I checked pings, DNS, internet browsing, and then tried opening social media sites, and those were blocked exactly like the rule said. And that's pretty much the whole setup. A fully working Sophos Firewall lab, all running virtually on a Mac. If you want the detailed steps, screenshots, and explanations, check out the full PDF. Thanks for watching.